Good day. My name is Howard Martell, and we are going to be talking about a pretty cool tool here that is going to save you a lot of time if you're looking to build a professional looking logo for whatever business that you are part of. So I'm going to give you a scenario here, right? And we're going to also give you a thing. So here's the problem. Let me ask you something. To be honest, have you ever felt completely stuck when it comes to creating a logo for your business? Maybe you're just starting out and you know you need a logo, but you have no idea where to begin. And then you look into hiring professional designers and you see those prices anywhere from 500 to $1,000, sometimes 5,000 or more. And you think, I can't afford that right now. So you're stuck. You can't afford a designer, but don't know how to create one yourself. I exactly been what you were. When I started my affiliate marketing journey, I needed a professional brand identity, but I didn't have thousands of dollars to spend. That's why I'm so excited to show you the World Profit AI logo designer today because it solves both problems, the cost barrier and not knowing where to start. So here's what the World Profit AI designer is such a game changer. First, no design skills required. Seriously, none. If you can type your business name and click the button, you can create a professional logo. That's it. Second, the cost. Instead of paying 500, $1,000, or 5,000 to a designer, this tool is included free in your World Profit membership. No additional cost, zero. Third, speed. Remember how I said it took me less than 5 minutes to create my logo? I'm not exaggerating. You're going to see that live today. 5 minutes from start to finish. Fourth, unlimited attempts. You don't like your first design, try it again and again and again. There's no limit. You can experiment until you find exactly what you want. The AI generated multiple professional design options based on your business and industry, and you're not stuck with one template. You get choices. And here's the best part, it's powered by AI, which means it understands your industry and creates design that actually makes sense for your business. So instead of spending thousands of dollars and weeks waiting for a designer or hours struggling with complicated software, your professional logo in minutes starting right now. Excellent. Now I'm going to create the live demonstration. Let me share this out on the screen for you. So just bear with me. Right, there we go. All right. So this is our World Profit AI logo designer from concept to creation instantly. Each of the tools that I have at my World Profit membership site has a demo video that shows you exactly how to do. So I want to make a modern, I'm gonna go with a modern one, right? I'm gonna go modern and let's go with a topic. So now comes the fun part. I'm going to create a logo from scratch, live in front of you. No editing, no tricks. You're going to see it exactly how this is. I'm going to start to share my screen out like I did, and we're going to create a logo for a fictional business. Let's say we're creating a logo for business coaching called Success Coaching, Success Path Coaching, right? So I'm going to come over here like this. I'm going to say, create me a logo for this. I'm going to go modern. I want to generate 3 logos, right? So as we wait for that, now you see how beautiful it is? Now, you can always tweak it and stuff. You can refine and edit it. So success coaching, and what you do is you can click on this if you needed to, right? You can say, I want to refine it. But this is just an example of what you can do with this tool, right? So let's do the same thing, but this time we're going to refine and edit, right? I want to, so you can download the thing. So I want to come over here like this. I want to add shadow, right? So I want to add some shadow to this. So what it's going to do is it's going to change it and add a shadow to that demo right here, right? See, it shadowed it out, right? It doesn't look too bad. Let's go here to this. I want to add a more modern look. Let's see what it does. See, it gave it a more modern look. All right, so you can download the logo. Pretty simple, right? Let's go to start over. So I want to do a minimalist, right? So I want to do this. Let's go here. Create a logo for Success Path Coaching and include it as my personal brand. Let's see what it does for it. We'll do the minimalist. See, it's minimized, right? But see, doesn't that look right? It looks like a success path for coaching and a personal brand because that's what I said. Now, I can always say, hey, I want to edit. I want to refine and edit this one, right? I'm going to say, I want to start over. So that's the minimalist. Let's go to vintage. Let's see what the vintage looks like. And you got all kinds. You've got playful, modern, abstract. I'm not going to demonstrate every single one, but I want you to see what you get here. Look at that. Ooh, that looks like something from college, doesn't it? Boom, look at that. Isn't that pretty cool? So you can take this and that can be your logo graphic and then you can expand upon it. You can put that on your Facebook page, you can put that on your profile and so much more, right? So let's go further into this, right? As we see the design logo that I've done. So now you saw the 3 key steps to creating a logo. Enter your business name, type in the business name field first. I typed in Success Coach Pathing. You see it's simple. You just type in the business name right in the field. You select your industry or category. Next, the AI needs to know what industry you're in, so it will generate designs that make sense for your business. So you can scroll through the options. You can pick whatever your industry is. It could be technology, health, wellness, education, finance, food. And for our business coaching example, I'm going to select business and consulting, right? So let's go here to this. So I'll go over here like this, and I'm going to refine and edit. Let's go to this one right here. I'm going to start over. Let's go here to apply edits, business consulting. So you can see how you can edit it and say, I want to do business and consulting now. So it's up to you what you want to do with it. See, success path and coaching. Let's start over. This time, I'm going to do the extract. See what it did? Isn't that cool? And you always make sure, because sometimes the AI can do it, but see the differences that are there? It's pretty powerful when you are able to have that tool that way. All right, so let's go back. We'll leave that on the screen so you can observe that. So I generated the options. I click the associate button to submit, and AI is going to do the work, and it's magic. It's going to analyze the business name, understand our industry, and generate multiple professional logo options for us. And look at that. We've already got options appearing. This is happening real time, folks, and we're literally watching professional logos being created. Now, wow, look at all those options. We've got the modern design, the classic, the different schemes, different styles, and they all look professional. They all make sense for a business coaching company. So as I clicked on a few of them, I showed you how I love the clean and professional look. They're very corporate, very trustworthy. This one's more creative and more dynamic. Great if you want to stand out as an innovative coach. And this one's simple but powerful, sometimes less and more. And here's the beautiful thing. I don't like any of these. I can just click generate more and get completely new options. Unlimited attempts. Remember, you can do it as many times as you need till it's to your standard. From the time I typed in the business name to right now, how long did it take? Maybe 3 minutes, and we already have multiple professional logo options to choose from. That's the power of AI. So There you have it. You just watched me create multiple professional logo options in just a few minutes, and I don't need any design skills. I didn't spend thousands of dollars and I didn't waste hours figuring out complicated software. This is exactly how I created a logo for my affiliate marketing business, and the logo has been on all my Facebook posts, all of my promotional material. It helps me build a recognizable brand that stands out from all the other affiliates who are just using generic material. And here's what I want you to understand: branding matters. When you have a professional logo, when you have a consistent brand identity, people remember you. They just don't remember the product, they remember you as the person who introduced them to it. That's how you build a real business. That's how you stand out in a crowded market. Now, if you're a World Profit member, you already have access to this tool right now. It is including membership at no additional cost. So my challenge to you is this: go try it. Right after this session, go to the AI logo designer and create a logo for your business. Play around with it. Try different names, different industries, different styles. Remember, unlimited attempts. You can't break it and you can't mess it up. Just experiment and have fun with it. And if you're not a World Profit member yet, but interested in getting access to tools like this, plus training, plus support, plus everything else that comes with memberships, reach out to me. I'm happy to answer any questions and show you what World Profit can do for your business. Before we wrap up, does anyone have any questions? And I'll hang out for a few minutes to answer anything you want to know about the AI logo designer, about branding in general. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope this is helpful. I can't wait to see the amazing logos you create. Remember, your brand is your identity in this business. Make it count. See you next time. So, if you want to get to the branding, let's stop sharing this and I'll show you exactly where you need to go. Let's go here. You can go to any of these pages, and I'm going to give you the link to any of my pages. You can go to any of these. I'm going to put this on the screen here, and I'm also put it into the text and post it here. All right. So you can go here. This will give you access, and you'll have access to be able to. It's right there. You go to that link right there, and you'll get access to all the incredible tools, including creating your own unique AI-driven business logo. With that being said, please like, share. If you think this is a valuable tool, sign up as a free member and let my AI guide you through the process. Yes, her name is Sophia. She will help you. If you have questions, you can type in voice or text. I'm looking forward to helping each and every one of you have the best possible business logo for your business. As you can see in the upper corner there, that's my logo. And then down below, that was created using the StreamYard. Take care.